6 minus 6 multiply 6 minus 6 is equal what? Here 6 minus 6 gives us 0, multiply this 6 minus 6 gives us 0. 0 times 0 gives us 0, but this answer is not correct. Now I will solve this math correctly. According to the order of operation, now I have to work with this multiplication because multiplication have higher priority than subtraction. Therefore, here 6 minus this 6 times 6 gives us 36 minus this 6. When we have more than one subtraction, then we have to work left to right. Therefore, at first we have to work with this subtraction, then this subtraction. Here 6 minus 36 gives us negative 30 minus this 6. Negative 30 minus 6 gives us negative 36, and this is correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.